Hi guys, and I have Christmas with me right now. He's on my lap. So, sorry, I just woke up. My cousins are here. Yeah, we're gonna do a makeup video in a few minutes. I'm gonna shoot that, and we're also gonna shoot a Q&A video, with my cousin Landon. So, yeah. And also, I might use some little kids to do it. But maybe my sisters. So, yeah. Say, he likes chewing on my finger. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. So, yeah. Abby, wait, come here. Come here. And this is one of my cousins. This is Abby. Say hi.
She's my friend. Hi.
Yep, she's about Macy's age, a little younger. Christmas! Christmas!
Hello. Hello.
It's okay, it doesn't hurt.
It doesn't hurt.
So, yeah. Because he has little teeth. He has little teeth. Yes, he does. Okay, guys. Okay. Alright, guys. We're going to do the Q&A shortly with my other cousin, her brother, Landon. So, bye.